A is A plus B equals 70. Good.
Yeah. Twice psi is the same as 3 times. So 2A.
Yep.
Equals 3A.
Equals 3.
No, it just... Yeah?
Twice Zara's is the same as 3 times Ryan's wage rate. Have a think.
Or are they plussing them because it still equals, doesn't equal 70 though?
Are we doing part B?
Yeah.
Yep. Twice Zara's is the same as 3 times Ryan's wage rate. Have a think.
Equals.
Yes. So it isn't equals. So twice what?
2A equals 3A.
3. So what letter is Zara's wage rate?
A.
What letter is Ryan's wage rate?
B.
Okay, so let's read the question.
2A equals 3B.
Yes. Got it?
Yeah.
Good. So that's B. That's part B, right?
Yeah.
Good. And then what's the next part of the question? Part C.
Write an equation to use information. Draw a graph on the same number line. Use A as the horizontal and B as the vertical.
Yeah. Okay, so what we're doing is we're doing one of these. One of these. What letters which?
A is the horizontal.
Yep. So what letter is this one? Where my cursor?
Oh, X, but then it's going to be A.
A. Yep. And what letter is this one going to be?
B.
All right. Cool. Well done.
Thank you.
Now, what we have to do is you have to figure out how we're going to graph line 1 and how we graph line 2. What would be your method of doing it? There's a couple of ways of doing it.
Rearrange.
Yep, rearrange. Yep. So how would you do it?
So for number 1,
Yep.
A plus B equals 70. We want to make it B.
Okay.
So B equals negative A plus 70.
Beautiful. So how would that look on a graph?
Negative.
Yep. So tell me how you would approach graphing this.
Oh, okay, to do the same for the A and the B.
Yep.
Like when A. Okay, so when so when A equals 0,
Yep.
B equals 70.
Yep.
How do you write that again? Oh, okay.
Yep.
A equals 0.
Yep.
B equals 70. B equals 0. A equals negative 1.
Let's have a think. When B equals to 0, what would A have to be?
Oh, do you put the A in the 70 in the A? Equals 0.
Yep. So when B equals 0, so you put 0 for B.
Yeah.
You have to work out a value for A. What value would make
Oh, yeah, okay.
the right-hand side equal the left-hand side?
Negative 70.
Negative
70.
negative 70, not quite, because you've already got the negative there.
So just 70.
70, good. Okay. Yep. So let's just focus on this. What point does that represent?
B is Zane's rate.
Yeah. So how would we?
It's on the intercept.
Which one?
On the y-intercept.
Yep. So the B in the B.
The B.
Yep. And it would be here, right?
Yep.
Yep. So what would the value of that be?
70.
70. Where would this point? Let's focus on this point now. Where?
Yep. So it'll be along the horizontal.
Yep.
And it would be 70.
70 across, right? Good. So it'd be around here. Is that right?
Yeah.
And we join the line. Yep. And that's line 1. Okay. We'll do the same thing. We're going to do the same thing for B.
And then for the second one?
Yeah. What would be a strategy for getting this one?
Are we still going to find B as a subject?
Yep. Yeah, that's always a good way to go.
Okay. Divide by 3.
Yep. Let's swap them around first so that the B's out the front. Okay, so it's currently you got the 2A out the front. Swap them around so that the B's out the front.
And then, oh my God. So you divide the 3 over by the 2A, don't you?
Yes, good. So what would that be?
Is it 2 over 3A?
Good.
So 0.6A.
Well, I'd leave it as 2 over 3A. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
Yep. So how would we work out how to graph that?
Use it as the gradient?
Sorry?
Use it as the gradient?
Yep. So what's the gradient?
Rise over run?
Yep. What's the value of the gradient? What would be the value of the gradient?
2 over 3?
Yeah. So your value of the gradient is 2 over 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And how would we graph it then?
Oh, so you go up by 2 and then across by 3.
Yep. And so where would your starting point be?
0.
Yep. So where would I start on the...
Oh, down the bottom of the B and
Yep.
start A.
Right there?
There, yeah.
Yep. So the origin, is that what you're trying?
Origin.
Yeah. Cool. Awesome. So we're starting at the origin and then we're going...
We're going to go up by 2 and across by 3.
Yes, good. So it's going to look like this. Yep.
Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Line 2. Got it?
Yeah.
And then you would use that point and that point there. What would this point tell us?
A.
Yep, and this point would tell us the value of?
B.
Which is? What do they represent?
That Zara's wage.
Yep.
And Ryan's.
That's right.
And then it says use the intersection of the two graphs to find the wage.
Yep, their respective wages.
So would that be the gradient? How much they're going up by? Or is that just that point there?
Yeah, so the 2/3, see the 2/3 here that you work.
Yeah.
That's the gradient for equation number 2.
Yeah.
Okay, but yeah, but what you just find, right, is the value of A and the value of B. That's wages of Zara and Ryan.
So what is the question? Use the intersection of the two graphs to find the wage. Oh, so that's just so Zara's wage equals Ryan's wage equals.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, those values. Okay.
Got it?
Brilliant. So you should, when you're rearranging the equation, you should for both of them keep one prenumeral the same as the subject.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Keep it all the same so then you can graph. Yeah, okay.